Are you interested to earning money from Facebook through your Facebook profile? If your answer is yes, then in this video I will show you how can you do that. For doing that, you have to make your profile in the professional mode. You can see here, if I come here on my Facebook app, after that if I come here in my Facebook profile, and it's a normal Facebook profile, you can see here it's a normal Facebook profile. From this profile I will not able to make some profit or make some money from this profile. So how can we made our profile into professional profile and start earning? So for that reason you have to simply come in your profile. After that you have to simply click here three dot. You can see here three dot. After that you can see here a option turn on professional mode. You have to simply click here turn on professional mode. After clicking here turn on professional mode, you will can see here all the criteria and what benefit or who is benefit you will get after turning on professional mode. All they written here, but I am simply want to turn on professional mode, so simply I have click here turn on. After turn on, you can see here learn about monetization tool. You can see here learn about monetization tool, and your if you turn on your monetization by fulfilling their process, then you will be able to earn money from your profile. So you have to simply click on next, and then you have to simply click on next, and here you can see here public suggest. You have to simply click here for receive more people, and then you have to click here confirm. Then you can see here monetization tool. You can see here you will can earn from star bonus, subscription, ad stream. You have to simply click here next, and then you have to click here next, and then you have to simply click here skip, and then go to professional process, and you can see here your all challenges. You have to simply get back from here, and if you come here in your profile, you will if you refresh it, you can see here your profile have been changed into the professional mode. Your all friend have become your followers. You can see here, and some people become following. So you can see here that's how you can start earning through your profile. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.